For Market Winning Strategies, this is Mark Shawson with your daily trade journal update. Hi guys, welcome to this Market Winning Strategies special report. Today I'm going to go out on a limb and show you what I see as some very early warning signs and potentially negative price patterns that are emerging in the major US stock indexes. The first thing I want to direct your attention to is the negative divergence that has occurred in the three major indexes. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So before us we have the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones Industrials. So the first thing you'll notice is that the NASDAQ 100 has jumped in recent weeks to new highs over and above its recent resistance. Whereas in the same period, the S&P 500 went to at or near its old highs before turning in the other direction. Now, if you notice in the Dow Jones Industrials, we didn't even come close. The Dow Jones Industrials in recent weeks came to about the 18,100 level, far short of the 18,400 level, and is now trading at or near the low of its 6-month trading range. So let me look at each one of these indexes on its own technical merits and show you what I'm looking about. So in the NASDAQ 100, I see that we're tracing out what I call a reverse or symmetrical triangle. Now, the symmetrical triangle is also known as a broadening top or a megaphone top. The reverse symmetrical triangle is an extremely bearish indicator, and the technical implications are usually extreme. Now, I did indicate at the outset that I am a little bit early. The final confirmation would be a breach below the bottom of this triangle at or near the 4,300. We're currently trading at about 4,564. But should prices drop to the 4,300 level, we can project the next level prices to about the 3,900. The way we got there is that you can see that from the bottom of the symmetrical triangle to the top is roughly about 400 points. So should we decline to the 4,300 level, we could potentially see a drop to about 3,900 or lower as a result of this triangle. We're also looking at a key reversal on Friday right here, where we made a new high, closed on the low, and so our subscribers are getting an email today telling them to go short the NASDAQ 100 at 4550, a new low. Now let's look at the S&P 500. If we look at the S&P 500, we can see what looks to be like a triple top with the neckline at or near about the 2040 area, about 40 S&P points below current levels. Again, a breach below the 2040 area would potentially send this market a lot lower. Now, lastly, the weakest and the most bearish looking market is the Dow Jones Industrial. You can see from this descending top right here. We can also see what looks to be also a head and shoulders top here, with the neckline coming in or close to current levels. So once again, a breach below current levels for the Dow Jones Industrials could see this market going much lower. So long-term investors, buy and hold investors should take heed of some of these early warning signs. For Market Winning Strategies, this is Mark. I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading day.